Okay, lots of action here on the feeder. Right now there's a tufted titmouse, and down here on the landing there's a, whoops, looks like a little junco just ran off the black-capped chickadee. There's the chickadee back up, and there's a Carolina wren on there. There's a wren on the down on the feeder platform. We've got lots of action. Juncos. There's the chickadees. And of course, down here. Hi, Rosie. Cardinals. We've been enjoying the birds all day. You can see another feeder platform right there with a pine cone with bacon fat and seed. And they are just eating it up, packing in the calories. Just another winter's day.